Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Tom Caldwell and my website is tomcaldwellonline.com, where you learn how to earn money online without wasting thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours trying to figure out how to earn money online by yourself. So let's get right into today's lesson. Today's lesson is number 3 of the Make Money Online for Beginners series. And this lesson is entitled Buy Your Domain. And of course, it's presented by tomcaldwellonline.com. All right, the table of contents in this presentation is introduction, research, choose a domain, your homework, and if you stay all the way to the end of this video, I will give you a free bonus. Moving right along. Here's the introduction. A domain is the internet address to your website, blog, or email capture page. Think of a domain name like this. You can't have a website without a domain name. Like a street address that tells people where you live, a domain helps customers drive directly to your website. And this is a quote from GoDaddy.com. Next topic is in our lesson is research a domain. Make a list of 10 or 12 possible domains. Use the following tips as you think about your new domain name. And these tips are adopted from a blog post by wpsuperstars.net. And if you'd like to read that blog post, you can use this link, this domain address right here on the bottom of the screen. Tip number 1, choose a .com if you can. Now, of course, there's all kind of domain names like .net, .org, .tv, etc. But the public has been trained through the years to think of almost all domain names as .com. So if you can get a .com in your chosen domain name, do that. If not, choose the next best thing, which would be .net or .org. Tip number 2, avoid hyphens. You want to make your domain name as easy as possible for your potential content viewers to find your domain. So you do hyphens unnecessarily complicate that process, and you don't want to do that. Tip number 3, avoid numbers. And numbers, again, is something that you want to avoid in your chosen domain name. If possible, choose a short name. The longer the name, the more likely your potential content viewers and consumers and ideal customers are going to have a harder time finding you. So try to use a short name and make it easy on them. Tip number 5, make sure it looks right. Always write down what you have in mind to make sure it looks good, and check for misspelled words. Tip number 6, choose something easy to say. Tip number 7, always check social media sites to see if your domain name is available there also, so that you can maintain your brand across all channels. Tip number 8, avoid copyright issues, because you do not want someone to sue you because you infringed upon their copyright or their trademark. So as you research in the next step, using these tips that are provided, you can help yourself avoid this problem. All right. The next step in this process of choosing a domain is choose a domain name. Now that you have your list of possible domain names, go to this website, hbahosting.com, and I will leave a description I will leave a link in this video description down below. Let's actually go to the website and I will walk you through the process of purchasing your domain name. Let's see if I can figure out how to get there. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Yeah, here we go. Now we're on our way. Okay, so this is www.hba hosting, and this is where you can get cheap domain names for only $8.99. Whenever you purchase your domain, don't pay for anything extra. Just use the basics. That's all you need. So now that you have your list of 10 to 12 possible names, you want to key them into this search bar and find out if those domains are available. So for our example, we're going to be trying to look for a domain name that's related to dog training. So let's start out with train your dog.com. Takes just a minute, and let's see what happens. Train your dog is taken. So okay, we've got to try something else. So let's say I got notes over here. Easy dog training. Dogtraining.com. EasyDogTraining.com is also taken. So let's try a different one. Okay. Humane. If I can get this spelled right. Humane dogtraining.com. Bingo, we found our domain name, humanedogtraining.com. Be sure that's spelled. You always want to, like one of the tips says, you always want to check your spelling to make sure you've got it spelled right. Okay? So then at this point, what you would do is you would hit this blue button up here in the upper right corner. It says continue to cart. Okay. See, this is, they try to sell you some extra stuff, but you don't need all this stuff. Just go continue to the, let's see, unclick this, or hit the no thanks, there you go. Hit the no thanks button, and then continue to cart. So as you see in the checkout process, you'll only pay $8.99 for the entire year, for 12 months. So this will have to be renewed every year at the end of your 12 months, and they will send you a notice reminding you that you need to renew your domain name. And as long as you own this domain, people can find you on the web. So then, of course, you would hit this checkout button, and you would enter all of your credit card or debit card details. Right. And that's as simple as it is. So I will leave a link in the description below where you can go to this place to buy cheap domain names. Okay, so let's close this. Let's go back to our presentation real quick. Okay, next page. Okay, here's your homework assignment. Task number 1, make a list of 10 or 20 possible domain names. copy and paste this website into your browser, and then purchase, go through the checking of the availability of your chosen possible names, and then purchase your domain name. And this link right here, like I said, will be in the description down below. Where's my hand? There it is. Okay. All right. And next off, thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. And here's your bonus. Download for yourself the same step-by-step action plan that has allowed me to earn extra money in just 30 minutes per day. Click the link in the description below, and I'll have a separate link for this one. And I will see you in the next video.